Hi everybody, welcome to Cuddle Up Baby Crochet. Today we're going to learn how to make a simple chain. We're doing very basic steps here, building blocks that we can improve upon. So today I have a number 3 worsted weighted yarn, and I'm also using a J hook. Now we're going to make a slip stitch. This can be any method that you prefer. This is the one I prefer, to put my yarn across my hand, close my bottom 2 fingers. I'm going to wrap the yarn around once and twice, close it in my hand. I'm going to put my hook underneath the first one, over top the second one, and pull it through. And this will give me my slip stitch. Let's do that one more time before we move forward. We're going to put our yarn across our 4 fingers. We're going to close our bottom 2 fingers. We're going to wrap our yarn around the first 2 times. We're going to take our hook and go under the first strand, over the second strand. We're going to pull it through, pull our fingers out, and then this will give us our slip stitch. Now from here we're going to do a single crochet. This is a very basic stitch in crochet, and this is a beginner stitch. But everybody does this stitch. Every project starts in some form of chain. There's always chains. So to do a chain, everybody holds their hook different, everybody holds their yarn different. There is no right or wrong way. It is completely up to your preference. I wrap mine around my first finger, and I use my bottom 2 fingers to hold my yarn in place. So we're going to hold our yarn in place. Now to do a chain stitch, you're going, let me move up some. To do a chain stitch, we're going to take the yarn, we're going to wrap our hook around, and we're going to turn our hook a little bit and pull it through the slip knot that was on our hook. Again, we'll do it again. We're going to wrap our hook around our yarn. We're going to turn our hook a little bit, because it's easier if that point of your hook is in the point of our slip stitch right here, our previous stitch, and we'll pull it through. We're going to wrap around again and pull through. Wrap around again, pull through. Wrap around again and pull through. So let's start that over, and we will start from the beginning and go over it one more time very slowly. We're going to take our yarn, lay it across our 4 fingers. We're going to close our bottom 2 fingers. We're going to wrap our yarn around once, wrap our yarn around twice, make sure we cross over. We're going to go under the first strand, over top the second strand, and we're going to pull it through, make our knot tighter. Now we're going to hold our cut end in the between our thumb and middle finger. We're going to wrap our yarn around our pointer finger. If that's what's comfortable to you, that's what's comfortable to me. We're going to take our hook, we're going to wrap our yarn around our hook. We're going to turn our hook just a tiny bit so the point of the hook goes into the point on the slip knot, and we're going to pull through, and we're going to do that again. We're going to wrap it around, turn our hook, pull through the previous one, wrap around, pull through the previous one. You want to keep a steady tension, which will give you an even chain. This does take a little practice. We're going to wrap around, pull through. Now when you're doing larger chains, I have found that I like to do about 5 stitches and then readjust my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I readjust. I hold my stitch on here. I don't want my chain to twist. So I hold my stitch still, and I move my thumb and middle finger up to my last stitch, where I can then proceed to continue going. Wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 3, wrap around, pull through 4, wrap around, pull through 5. We're going to stop, we're going to adjust, we're going to hold our stitch there, and we're going to come up, move our fingers up again to keep our stitch in place to keep our chain in place. Now if you have an error, or you notice that it's not quite as nice as you would like it to be, you pull out as far down as you need to. I have a hair in there. Let's take that out. Pull down as far as you need to be, reinsert your hook, and start over. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through, move our fingers up, wrap around, pull through, and we'll continue this method for as long of a chain as you need for your project. If you have any questions, please comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe below, and happy stitches.